Hi guys, I'm going to show you how you can upload a video into Google Drive. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you are actually logged in to Google Drive. As you can see to the top right hand corner here, I am logged in. And to simply do that, go to your Google account and then after that search for Drive and click Google Drive. That should give you access to the drive right here. Now we want to upload a video, right? So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you are in the right folder that you want to put the video in, to upload the video in. In this instance, as you can see, I've chosen the BizCrown folder. And if you don't have a folder, it's just simply going to go in your Google Drive, just your general folder. Your general drive is what I should say. If you want to create a folder, it's very simple. You just go to New, create your new folder, name it, and then you'll have access to it to be able to upload your video. Okay, so if you wanted to upload your video, again, this is very simple. What you then want to do, again, is go back to the plus sign right here. And in this instance, we want to upload a file. So we will click File Upload. And when we click File Upload, it then opens up our computer folders, right? And in this instance, I'm going to select this video over here. And what you then will see is to the bottom right here, the sort of like a notice, or I would like to say some information letting you know how your video is uploading. So it says here, uploading one item. If we had uploaded 2 to 3 videos, it would tell us here, and it would show us the rate at which they're uploading. When I mean rate at which they're uploading, look to the bottom right here. As you can see, this X sign is what I should say. Once I take it off, you can notice that the circle keeps going round, and what it's doing is it's pretty much going at the rate at which the video is being uploaded. Now, a few things to notice, to take note of is what I should say, is if you have a large file, it will take a longer time for it to upload. Also, if your internet is slow and not as fast, it also affects the rate at which your video uploads. So those two things you want to take note of. In case it's not uploading as quickly as possible, those are the two things you really do want to take note of. Now, as you can see to the bottom right here, it is almost complete. Yay. As you can see right here, I'm not going to click the X sign. If you do click the X sign, it's going to cancel the upload, as you can see. But that's not what we're here for. We're not here to cancel the upload. We are here to upload, and it tells us now we have less still than a minute left, but it's finishing. As you can see, it's quite informative when you think about it. Now, what it tells us is one upload complete, right? And if you want to access your upload now, all you have to do is simply click this, and then your video should show up when it's done processing. So as you can see, it shows here video is still processing. Try again in a few minutes. But that's how you can simply upload a video into your Google Drive, and also make sure that you're uploading it into the right folder so you will be able to view it easily next time you're looking to access this. I hope this was helpful. If it is, like and subscribe to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Take care.